So in this video, I wanted to show you a new feature of our platform that's oriented towards anyone working in robotics or any other applications where you handle multiple views of the same scene, which of course, in particular for robotics, are very important because you want eventually to have your robot understand not only its own perspective, but also like what it's doing in the overall environment, right? And this means that usually you record multiple views right at the same time. So what you can see here already in our tool is we have a video, as per usual. There's a robot doing something. But then you can see there's little numbers down here, which are actually the different viewports of the robot performing the task, right? So these are the different cameras, including one that's mounted on the robot. Of course, this is just a preview. You can also go in here in our actual viewer window, and you'll see that we have all three views accessible to us. We can switch between them, right? We also have a little view navigator here. It's of course reactive, right? Like everything at Ramblr, where you can also switch views, right? And then just minimize it. And of course, if we play the movie, well, you see it in all three of the views, right? Importantly, if I'm on this frame here, I go to a different view, I'm still on the same frame. If I start playing and I switch frames, then I also remain in the same frame I was in, and I can continue from there. This is great for viewing, obviously. But again, in Ramblr, we're big about extracting information from videos. So what we, of course, can do is annotate in these multiple views, right? So here I loaded an annotation. I have activities annotated, which are annotated globally across the viewports. Of course, what the robot is doing is the same, regardless of which viewport I'm in. You can see I'm in the timeline here. But also, importantly, we have objects annotated. Let me just hide the activities here. You can see in this view, the objects are there for the entire time. But for example, if I go to the wrist view, the objects are not there the entire time, of course, right? Importantly, the objects are consistent across views, though, right? So this little cup here is the same cup over here and on the other view over here, right? So this is all consistent as we usually do at Ramblr. We keep our objects straight, right? So here you have then ready-to-use feature to extract anything you need, really, from these multi-view videos, and that plugs right into our existing Ramblr ecosystem. So of course you have pipelines to annotate these efficiently and semi-automatically, and then of course gather all the information you get and use it for your downstream applications. And with that, that's all that I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you so much, and yeah, until the next video. Bye bye.